Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on maintaining the ventilation system of your Lenovo Yoga Slim 7. Proper maintenance is crucial for keeping your laptop running smoothly and efficiently. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a can of compressed air, and a soft cloth. These tools will help you access and clean the internal components of your laptop effectively. Begin by powering off your laptop and unplugging it from any power source. It's essential to ensure your device is completely turned off to avoid any electrical hazards. Once powered down, place your laptop on a clean, flat surface. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of your Lenovo Yoga Slim 7. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them to reassemble your laptop later. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you have support if needed. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the back panel off. Be cautious, as there may be clips holding it in place. Use your flathead screwdriver to carefully pry it open if necessary. With the back panel removed, you can now see the internal components, including the cooling fan and ventilation ducts. Using the can of compressed air, blow out any dust and debris from the cooling fan and ventilation areas. This step is vital, as dust accumulation can lead to overheating and reduced performance. Make sure to hold the fan in place while you clean to prevent it from spinning, which could cause damage. After cleaning the fan, take your soft cloth and gently wipe down any accessible surfaces inside the laptop. This will help remove any remaining dust and ensure a clean environment for your components. If you feel uncomfortable performing this cleaning, don't hesitate to reach out for our collection and delivery at your home service. We can handle the maintenance for you, ensuring your laptop is in expert hands. Once you've completed the cleaning, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back panel back onto the device, ensuring all clips are secured. Then, replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them gently to avoid stripping the threads. Now that your Lenovo Yoga Slim 7 is reassembled, plug it back in and power it on. Monitor the performance to ensure that the cleaning has improved airflow and cooling efficiency. If you notice any persistent issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, allowing you to understand the costs involved before proceeding with any further maintenance. Regular maintenance of your laptop's ventilation system is essential for its longevity and performance. By following these steps, you can help ensure that your Lenovo Yoga Slim 7 remains in top condition. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to contact us for support. Thank you for watching, and happy computing. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.